Are you tired of clothes piling up and nowhere to store them? Here are the 5 best portable clothes closets I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Lokeme Portable Closet. First up is the Lokeme Wardrobe Closet. Priced at $47.99, this sturdy wardrobe caught my eye because of its robust design and ample storage options. If you want a reliable and spacious solution for your clothing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With that kind of space, you can easily separate your seasonal clothes, bags, and accessories without any hassle. The reinforced PP plastic connectors and 19 steel pipes guarantee that this closet won't collapse under the weight of your clothes, which is crucial if you've had flimsy storage options before. 2,000 plus units sold in the past month shows it's already gaining popularity. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the clear instructions provided, it's pretty manageable. Just remember that each part is marked, which can really help speed things up. This is perfect for you if you need a strong, spacious closet for a bedroom or dorm. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-modern or compact. For $47.99, it's a solid investment for your clothes. Now, if Lokeme's larger size feels overwhelming, the next one might be just the right fit for smaller spaces. Product number 2, VTRIN Large Capacity Closet. Next is the VTRIN Portable Closet, priced at $39.09. This 67-inch wardrobe really grabbed my attention because it's not only spacious but also very versatile. If you're aiming for a large capacity without the bulk, this is definitely worth considering. The VTRIN measures 66.9 x 17.7 x 65.7 inches and offers 4 hanging rods and 4 storage shelves, which means you can easily hang long dresses and organize your folded clothes, bags, and hats. The max hanging height of 49.3 inches is perfect for longer garments, and the side pockets can hold smaller items like scarves or ties. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear that people are loving it. However, some users mention that the cover can be a bit tricky to zip up. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it really keeps your clothes safe from dust and mess, which is a huge plus. This is ideal for anyone needing a spacious yet manageable storage solution. Skip it if you're looking for something more compact or minimalist. At $39.09, it's a great value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a tighter budget. Product number 3, VTRIN Space Saving Organizer. Now let's take a look at another VTRIN model priced at just $27.96. This closet is super space-saving while still offering plenty of functionality. If you're really tight on space but still need a decent wardrobe solution, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for small bedrooms or dorms, and the 6 side pockets provide that extra touch for organizing socks or accessories. The materials are sturdy, with 16 thick metal tubes ensuring it can hold your clothes without falling over. This closet has already sold over 600 units this month, which shows there's a demand. Some users found it a bit small, especially for larger wardrobes. But here's the thing, if you're looking for something that fits in tight spaces, this model is designed for just that, making it a winner in small area situations. This is perfect for you if you live in a small apartment or need a secondary closet. Skip this if you have a large wardrobe that needs a bigger solution. At $27.96, it's hard to beat this price for the functionality. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more robust, the next option is definitely worth checking out. Product number 4, SORCDAS Portable Wardrobe. Next up is the SORCDAS Portable Wardrobe, priced at $31.49. This one stands out because of its simple yet effective design and durability. If you want a compact and sturdy option that can handle your clothing needs, this is worth a look. Its thickened iron pipe and reinforced plastic connectors make it a solid choice for long-term use, which is crucial if you've had issues with flimsy structures before. The non-woven fabric cover keeps your clothes dust-free, which is a big plus for maintaining cleanliness. However, I did notice some complaints about the assembly instructions being a bit unclear. But let's be real, as long as you take your time and double-check the parts, it's not too difficult to put together. This is perfect for anyone looking for a straightforward, no-frills closet solution that's durable. Skip this if you prefer a more stylish or modern look. For $31.49, it's a dependable option that won't break the bank. Now, if you want something even larger, the final product on our list could be just what you need. Product number 5, BR4U Large Freestanding Closet. Finally, we have the BR4U Portable Closet, priced at $37.99. This wardrobe really impressed me with its large capacity and sturdy build. If you need a serious storage solution that doesn't take up much space, this one's definitely worth considering. This gives you plenty of room for all types of clothing and accessories, ensuring your space remains organized. The dust-proof cover effectively keeps your clothes clean, which is essential if you want to maintain your wardrobe in top shape. Some users mentioned it being a bit heavy to move around. Here's the thing though, the sturdiness it offers means you won't worry about it collapsing, which is what matters for long-term use. This is perfect for families or individuals with a lot of clothes looking for a reliable wardrobe. Skip this one if you need something lightweight or portable for frequent moves. At $37.99, it delivers excellent value for the storage space it offers. So there you have it. To quickly recap, we have the sturdy LOKME, the spacious VTRIN large capacity, the budget-friendly VTRIN space-saving organizer, the reliable SORCDAS portable wardrobe, and the generous BR4U closet. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the LOKME because it offers a great balance of durability and space. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.